Notice: the information provided in this video is intended for your reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment for specific medical conditions. Welcome to Living Chinese Medicine, where we bring information that shows you how people have used Chinese medicine in their daily life and discuss all things Chinese medicine related, including Taoist studies. Today's information comes from Dr. Wu Baolin. The seasonal period called grain fullness, Xiaoman, of the 24 seasonal periods in the Chinese calendar begins on May 21st in 2022 and ends on June 5th. At the time of grain fullness, the body needs to re-energize. If you are a farmer, you would want to fertilize your crops at this period of time. In the complete reality school of Taoism, called the Chuanzhen sect, they will eat a special meal during this period of time. The main ingredients are pumpkin, millet, and spinach. Pumpkin and spinach together harmonize the body. Pumpkin can benefit the stomach and the spleen, while spinach is green and enters the liver and lungs. Liver is the main organ to detox the body. It stores the blood and it regulates the emotions. Green vegetables benefit the liver. Spinach is excellent for cleansing the lungs. It is very rich in iron and calcium. Therefore, it cannot be combined with tofu. When combined with tofu, then stone formations form. To remedy that, you can boil the spinach a little bit. You can also put in a little bit of millet. Bring 1.25 liters of water to a boil. Rinse your bundle of spinach and set it aside. Cut a Japanese pumpkin called a kobacha in half. Then cut it into further pieces. Then remove the seeds. Add the pumpkin pieces to the boiling water. Then add a quarter cup of millet. Bring the water down to a simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes. You will know it's ready when you can insert a fork smoothly into the pumpkin and it's easy to go through it. Add a little oil if you like to your spinach. I like sesame oil or Chinese fragrant xiang oil, and then you add the spinach to the pot. Press the leaves down into the water and let the spinach boil for a couple minutes. Now serve. This is the perfect recipe for the seasonal period of grain fullness. When you are treating liver-related issues, you need to consider the spleen. Therefore, pumpkin is good for the spleen and stomach. Spinach takes care of the lungs and the liver. 1 gives rise to 2, 2 gives rise to 3, 3 gives rise to all things. Take the time to deeply consider this third level of understanding.
Yeah, it's good.
This information comes from Dr. Wu Baolin's Huangdi Neijing Yijing Academy. Thank you, Dr. Wu, for this information. If you wish to express your thanks to Dr. Wu for this information, you can contact him through his website at BeijingChineseMedicalCenter.com. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons down below if you wish to see more videos like this.